Hey guys, I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm gonna show you how to book any flight tickets within United States in just $31. There is no tips and tricks in this and no hacks. It's just a membership from Frontier Airlines app. I found out this last month because I was trying to book a flight ticket for Texas and that tickets were costing me somewhere around 300 350 because I was trying to book a flight for next day. Then I get to know about it, and we can even book a flight for next day in just the same price. Firstly, open your browser and search for Frontier Airlines and open this web page, and you can search your destination over here. And I will select tomorrow date 25th September, and I will go with one way. Then hit search. I opened this web page earlier, so it's already selected Go Wild. If we check the standard price for this airline, it's 220, but we are going with wild, so select Go Wild, and here you can see it's just for $31. Even the both flights are at the same price. Earlier we have seen in the standard price both these flights are at different price, but here these are like at the same price. I think there is no direct flight to Austin. That's why like these are for 15 hours and this one is for one day. That's too much, but we don't care about it because we are not booking any flights for now. You can hit continue. Here they are asking to add a bundle, but we're gonna go with basic one. This is the membership that I was talking about. It's Go Wild from Frontier Airlines. Here you can see the full details of this membership and the conditions that you need to know. Here is a $50 fee and then $99 enrollment fee. The total is $149, and they will like automatically cut $149 every month. So if you don't need it in future, then you have to cancel this membership. Then you can click get pass. Here it's asking for your full details. I already have an account over here, so I will use my another email. And there is one more issue. If you are not from United States, then it will not allow you to select your country. Like if you are from Canada, then it will not allow you to change your country. It will just ask you to select United States. So firstly you can do one thing. You can put any address of your friend, family, or anyone who lives in states, but you can change it in account menu in future. Now we are at the select flight page again, and here we have to go with these things again. Select basic, continue with basic, and here is my passenger info. We can check every details over here, then hit continue. Here it asks to select you a bundle, but we don't need any, so we're gonna hit continue. Continue without a bundle. Here it's asking to select a seat, but we don't need any specific seat, so we can just skip this part. Continue without selecting seats. It's taking little time to load the next window, sorry for that. And here it's asking to add a carry-on bag, so it will not allow to continue without selecting any carry-on bag. You can choose no carry-on at the free, and the best value is like it's we can get a cheaper price for anything over here. If we will need anything at the airport, then they will charge you extra. So for now I will go with no carry-on. Hit continue. I don't need a carry-on. I don't know why it's taking too much time. Maybe my Wi-Fi is not that much fast. It here we can get add priority boarding, but we don't need that. We can click like free self-service. Hit continue. Here are the details of our flight, like the subtotal is $179.21 and this is non-refundable. We can fill out our card details over here and the billing information, then we can just hit purchase and accept. We have to select like these terms and conditions. If we will check the price breakdown, then we can check like they are not charging us for any airfare. Like this flight is totally free for us, but they are just charging us $30 for taxes and carrier, and the another one is like $50 for the monthly pass and $99 for enrollment fee. These are the only charges that they are charging from us. And if you want to change your address, then I can also show you how to do that. Firstly, click over here at your name, then it will like pop up this view profile. Then you can, it's taking little time, then you can go to account info. This will show you your details. Then you can change anything over here. I can choose Canada and I can put over my address, and then I will just need to update account info. This is how you can book a flight ticket for just $31. You just need to get this membership in $149 per month. You can also go with the yearly or like season. If you need even one ticket, then you can also save some money on this, because like I just paid $179 for the same ticket that I was getting at $220 today. Like at that time I was getting a ticket for $350, but with this membership I just got that same ticket in just $180. That's how I saved more than $100 on the same ticket. Thank you for watching my videos and please subscribe to my channel. I will upload videos in English and Punjabi as well. Have a good day.